Hello guys, you welcome back again to my channel. Yes, I greet you depending on where you're watching me from. If today is your first time, thank you so much for tuning in. To my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. So guys, here I just want to show you guys. Yes, as you can see, I'm just here close to Spanish Arc, and I will be taking you all down to Abbey Street. Yes, Abbey Street is where we normally go to repair our phone. So if you are in Galway and you are thinking of where to repair your phone, maybe you have a spoiled phone and you have been wondering where you can repair your phone, guys, Abbey Street is the right place for you to go to buy phone or to repair your phone. Yes, so that is another tip. Thank me for that. Okay. So guys, guess what? So I'm just going to stand. Yes, because this place is really beautiful. I can't just sit on one same spot. Okay, so guys, like what I'm saying, you know, if you know Island is a place that is surrounded by waters, you know, like where I used to stay. It's just like a throw stone to my house. You see an ocean. So as you can see right behind me, you can see everywhere is surrounded by water. And even if you see a lot of people just close to the water having fun. You know, this summer, and you know, everywhere is hot. Yeah, the whole place is hot, and guys, people are going out to just have this fresh air. You know, you can see, as you see, the whole place is filled up. You see it. So guys, let me just take you guys to where I'm going to Abbey Street. Okay, I'll show you. So guys, let me just take you to Abbey Street and the Spanish Arc. Okay, the last time I was in Spanish Arc, but then I didn't really show you guys how the place looked like. Even Bank Street, I will take you guys there. You see, today is bank holidays, and the holiday is affecting a lot of shops. Like you see, the whole place is closed, but guys, the place is filled up because they have a lot of food store, bars and restaurants. Okay, so guys, let me take you guys there. Let me not prolong this video. Okay, I'll see you. Bye. Guys, I can't just have enough of this place. Honestly, Galway is so beautiful that every nooks and crannies of this city is beautiful. I'm telling you. You know, this place I'm actually heading to Spanish Arc, but before then there is a street called Abbey Street where they sell and repair phone. I said it in my last video that if you are looking for a place that you want to repair your phone in Galway, just tell the Uber or the driver to take you to Abbey Street. I always pass through this place because this is the way leading to Spanish Arc. Okay, and guys, today is bank holiday. You know, bank holiday, a lot of stores, they close up. They don't do business on those days. Not all the shops, okay, but majority the banks, you know, big organizations, they close. I don't really know when we have this one in Africa. I don't know if they have anything like bank holiday. We don't have. Oh, my sister, my brother, the only thing we even see, you will see that bank self, they are even now working on Saturdays. You see, so nothing like rest for them. So guys, like what I was saying, this particular road is called Abbey Street. Okay, but then let's just continue. I want to show you guys something. This place you see here, as I'm going down the street, you will notice people are still coming from that way. If I take you down to that place, just that the place is really noisy, because you know, here in Galway they have a lot of restaurants. And guys, if you are looking for a destination like where they do a lot of festival, it's here in Galway, not Dublin. I'm telling you, it's here in Galway. Galway, it's really fun to be in this place. I'm telling you guys. So One thing I want you to know about this particular Spanish Arc, I always like this Spanish Arc. Why? Because Spanish Arc, if you go there, there are a lot of like restaurants where you can get things. There is this what they call it, all this Big Mac, Super Mac, sorry, okay, where they buy these French fries and everything. So even along this road, you see a lot of people with their talent outside. You see some playing guitar, you see some doing, you know, all sorts of musical instruments. You can find them here on this road. So before I will allow you to watch the rest of the video, I just want you to know that this particular Galway is more Spanish than Irish, because of the amount of the Spanish people that took up residence here in Galway. That was why they named that particular place I usually take you guys to. That's why they name it Spanish Arc, okay? So they always come there, the Spanish people, they come there to sell their wine, you know, in those days, you know, everywhere they have history. So I will just allow you to watch the rest of the video, okay? Enjoy. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Stop I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.